What's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing on Amazon. Hey, if you're new here, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education on how to make money online and review my favorite products and services that help you do that. If you're interested in any of those things and learning how to make money online, make sure that you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. So the easiest and simplest way to start making money online is to do affiliate marketing, and the most popular site you can use is Amazon. The reason Amazon is so good to start with is it's easy to get into. You need a smaller amount of people to actually be involved in it, and the product variations are enormous. No matter what your niche is, you will be able to find products that you can promote using Amazon. Another great thing about their site is the way their program works is they use cookies. When you click on a link, a cookie captures your IP address or your computer for 24 hours, and whatever that person who clicked on your link purchases through Amazon, you will get a commission on. Now the commissions are smaller, it's 3 to 10%, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the product that you recommended. Say I recommended one of these journals, these hardbound journals or something along this line. Somebody clicked on it and they said, no, I don't want a journal, but what I really do need is a new coffee cup. You get paid on the coffee cup, not the journal. So it's anything. So if, let's say they buy a coffee cup and then they realize that they need a new diamond necklace because their anniversary is coming up and that diamond necklace is $1,000, which they do have on Amazon, and it's a 10% commission, that's a $100 commission. So if you made 50 cents on this plus $100 on the diamond necklace, hypothetically speaking, I'm not making any income guarantees, but you could see the power of this, and you can use it on your website, your blog. I use it on my YouTube channel, which you're watching right now, and you'll see links in the description below. What I'll do is get my face out of here. So you know what affiliate marketing is. Let me draw you a picture before we dive into that. Draw. Can I do that? Red. So here is Amazon. We'll just write A. Z. They have a lot of products, and they want to get it to more people. Okay, so they set up a program that's paid on commissions to affiliates, more people, people that have followings, people that know how to get in front of people and introduce them to products. So Amazon gives you a link, you promote those products to these people, and then you get commissions. So, oops. That's an old video. All right, so here's Amazon. So if you scroll down to the bottom, all the way down, keep going. Down here, become an affiliate. Now there's a lot of different ways to make money on Amazon. We're not going to cover those in this video. It's just strictly the Amazon thing. All right, so if you click on become affiliate, my affiliate page is actually going to pop up. There's really not a point to showing you that part. What you're going to do is you're going to list all the sites that you'll be listing on your YouTube page. You can use this on Instagram. You can use this, I believe you can use it on Twitter, Facebook. You can use it on. You can list all those accounts. Sign up for your to join the program, and then it'll be they'll give you access right away as long as you're accepted. And what they do is they review your account after you make your first sale, and it has to be within, I think, 90 days. And then they'll review. You'll get a commission. You'll get paid on the commission, whatever it is. I believe they have a 500 follower or subscriber minimum. However, you can reapply. So if you have a channel of 300 people and you apply for this program, you make a few sales, they'll review it, you'll get paid on those commissions, but then you might get bounced out and have to reapply. But it's reviewed by people, so it takes some time. But if you have 500 or more, you're completely missing this program, and it's a great way to monetize your YouTube channel. So anyway, if I want to sell this book here, I would click on that. It pops up. You see it's $13.99 plus shipping. Whoops. Don't worry about that. If I go up in the upper left corner, I click on this Stripe Amazon or Amazon Associates Stripe, and I click text. This little hot link will show up. Right click, copy that, paste it wherever I want, paste it in my YouTube channel. You'll see there's a live link. So that's linked to me. I'll get a commission for that. Let me jump on my YouTube channel to show you how it works. Maybe I'll make a cut here. Maybe not. Sorry about the lag. Now, the thing about this program is I see a lot of people starting out on YouTube and they're trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And they're struggling, they're grinding, and they want to start doing ad revenue. And ad revenue is very, very, very small. Like I said, if you don't need the 500 to start, but if you have 500, between 500 and 1,000 subscribers, you can start monetizing your channel just by using this program. So let's go down, click on any video. We'll click on my latest video. It's going to be loud. Hold on, pause it. Loads up. We'll scroll down. If you go down to the show more in my description box, you'll see the same thing. My #1 online business recommendation to grow into a full-time income. Check that out in the description below and you'll learn how to do more than Amazon marketing. If you go over here, this video was created with the following gear: an iPhone, lapel mic, tripod, lighting. If I click on iPhone, this will pop up and there'll be a code. In this code, it's tracked to my account. So if someone clicks on this and buys an iPhone, I will get a commission. This is the $359.99 product. If that's 10%, that's a $35 commission. Now, I didn't even have to market that. All I did was just say, these are the products that I'm using. And I put a disclaimer down here that says that these are affiliate links. It's that simple. You don't necessarily have to be pushing people to products. You can be pushing people to products. You can be reviewing things like this book. If you have a channel on journaling, you can review your favorite journals and make recommendations, and people may buy from you. You can review books. You can review all your products. I can review all the stuff I film on. I still film on an iPhone. I'm using my webcam. That's why it's so gross right now, but that's it. So if you like today's content, make sure you smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, I recommend that you do. I'm coming out with more content all the time. Watch the next video.